What is a large language model? LLM. A large language model is a sophisticated AI system that uses deep learning, a subset of machine learning, to process and generate human-like text. It is large because it is trained on massive datasets and consists of billions of parameters, which are the internal variables the model uses to make predictions and generate text. Examples of well-known LLMs include OpenAI's GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer Series, e.g., GPT-3, GPT-4, Google's Bard, based on the LaMDA model, Meta's LLama, Anthropic's Claude. How do LLMs work? LLMs are built using a type of neural network architecture called the transformer. Here's a simplified breakdown of how they work. Training process data collection. LLMs are trained on enormous data sets containing text from books, websites, articles, and other sources. This data helps the model learn the structure, grammar, and nuances of human language. Pre-training. During pre-training, the model learns to predict the next word in a sentence. For example, given the input, the cat is on the model learns to predict mat or roof based on patterns in the data. Fine-tuning. After pre-training, the model may be fine-tuned on specific tasks or data sets to improve its performance in areas like answering questions, summarizing text, or translating languages. Transformer architecture. The transformer architecture uses self-attention mechanisms to understand the relationships between words in a sentence. This allows the model to consider the context of each word when generating or analyzing text. It processes input text in parallel, unlike older models like RNNs, making it faster and more efficient. LLMs are used in a variety of fields and applications, including customer support, powering chatbots and virtual assistants to handle customer inquiries, content creation, generating articles, blogs, marketing copy, and social media posts, education, assisting with tutoring, explaining concepts, and generating study materials, programming, helping developers write code, debug, and learn new programming languages, healthcare, assisting with medical documentation, research, and patient communication, translation, translating text between languages with high accuracy, summarization, condensing long documents into concise summaries. While LLMs are powerful, they also have some limitations. Bias. LLMs can inherit biases present in their training data, leading to biased or inappropriate outputs. Accuracy. They may generate incorrect or nonsensical information, especially when dealing with complex or niche topics. Lack of real-world understanding. LLMs do not understand the world like humans do. They rely on patterns in text data. Resource-intensive. Training and running LLMs require significant computational resources, making them expensive to develop and maintain. Ethical concerns. Issues like misinformation, privacy, and misuse of LLMs for malicious purposes are ongoing concerns. The field of LLMs is rapidly evolving, with ongoing research focused on improving efficiency and reducing resource requirements, enhancing accuracy and reducing biases, developing smaller, more specialized models for specific tasks, integrating LLMs with other AI technologies such as computer vision and robotics. Large language models, LLMs, are transformative AI systems that have revolutionized how we interact with technology. They excel at understanding and generating human language, enabling a wide range of applications across industries. However, they also come with challenges that need to be addressed to ensure their responsible and ethical use. As research and development continue, LLMs are expected to become even more powerful and versatile, shaping the future of AI and human-computer interaction.